Hello everyone, hope everybody doing great. Welcome to Python for Data Science Prasanna Tech channel. Python is a popular choice for data science due to its simple syntax, extensive libraries for data analysis and visualization, making it easier and efficient to handle large and complex data sets. Anaconda is important to data science as it provides a comprehensive platform with pre-installed packages for data analysis, machine learning, and visualization. Jupyter Notebook is important as it offers a web-based interactive computing environment to experiment with the data and explore different data analysis techniques which work seamlessly with Anaconda. So let's go to Google and search Anaconda. You can click on this link. The page is going to open in this manner. You can find different pricings and subscriptions here. Click on Get Started, the free version, and you can see download here. You have to click on download. As you can see, it is going to download and you have to click on next, install, next, finish. So now just go to start button, search Anaconda Navigator. The page is going to open in this manner and you have to click on Jupyter. When you click on that, Jupyter Notebook is going to open. And the interface is like this. You can find all the files which are there in computer. And when you click on new drop down, you can find Python 3 here. Once you click on that, the page is going to open in this manner. Now let's go to new. You can create a folder and you can rename here. I'm just naming it as Python for Data Science, and you can rename your page. I'm just changing this to Introduction to Python. So if you want to give a heading, you have to click on the drop down. In place of code, you can see drop down. Once you click on drop down, you can find markdown there. So to make the text bold, you have to give 2 stars at the starting and the ending of the text. And if you want to give the heading, you have to drop down in place of code and you have to select a heading. So let me type my first command, that is print hello world. To run that, you have to press shift plus enter. So as you can see hello world here, and let me print the second thing, that is print welcome to Prasanna Tech channel, shift plus enter. As you can see the result. So Python data type, there are different data types are there in Python. So numeric, boolean, set, mapping, that is dictionary, and sequence. In numeric, you can find integer, float, and complex. And in sequence, you can find string, list, and tuple, tuples. You can see the examples here. String means you can write any name. In numbers, we have 3 types: integer, float, and complex. So integer means only numbers, and float means a decimal point, and complex. As you can see the examples here. Okay? So if you want to give font color, you have to write font color which is equal to, so I'm just giving orange here. So variable is a container where we are going to store some values here. So first I'm writing the variable name, that is name equals to, and I'm storing the value, that is Prasanna. Print my name. Okay, it is going to print my name. Age equals to 24, print age. So it is going to print the age. And the next is input name equals to, if you want to take the data from the user, you have to write input into your name. So print name, it is going to print my name. And age equals to, so if you want to take the data from the user, you have to type input into your age, print age. And in a similar way, age equals to input into your age.
Age equals to int age, integer type of data. So this we call as typecasting. Print you are age times 3 years old. Now when I run this, it is going to ask enter your age. So if I type 6, it is going to multiply with 3 and the result is you are 18 years old.
But in a similar way, age equals to input into your age, and if you are not giving typecasting, then it is going to write the same thing for 3 times if you are multiplying with 3. Now let's take num equals to 10 and decimal equals to 1.4, string equals to Prasanna, boolean equals to true, print type of that number. We are going to find the type of that variable. Okay, so print type num, print type decimal, print type string, print type boolean. You can find. As you can see here, the first one is an integer type, float type, and string, and boolean. Okay, now let's go with our arithmetical operators. A equals to 20 and B equals to 10. Print addition equals to A plus B, and subtraction equals to A minus B. Multiplication equals to A into B. Print division equals to A divided by B. Flow division, modulus or remainder, exponential. These are the arithmetical operators. PDMAS formula, that is parenthesis, exponential division, modulus, addition, and subtraction. So let's go with the string operations. A equals to C B equals to Prasanna, C equals to Lucky. So I'm giving single quotes and double quotes I'm using here. So print I did not do it. So I'm using double quote and I'm using a single quote in between did not. So it is going to print that. And if I use single quote in place of didn't, if I use a single quote over there, it is going to throw an error. So for everything it is throwing an error. No, we will do the same thing individually so that you will get to know where is that error. So the error will be in this line, that is single quote. If you are using in between, then it is going to throw an error. C equals to Lucky and please print C, shift plus enter. So it is going to print the single quote and the double quote as well. Okay. Now let's go to string manipulation. String equals to, my name is Prasanna, and length of the string. If you want to find the length of the string, you have to write len and that string. Indexing starts from 0, first character. So if you want to find the first character, you have to write the index position, that is 0. If you want to print the last character, then you have to write -1. Now let's go to slicing in strings. So in strings, you have to write the starting and ending number and the steps. So A equals to string 0, colon 3, print A. So it is going to print the index position 0, 1, 2. So it is going to print my, because second space is the index 2 position is space. So you can see that. So A equals to string. Now I want to take the starting position, that is 3, and the ending position, that is 9, and I want to give a step, that is 2. Now print A. As you can see here, and it is going to print. So membership string equals to I love pizza. Print pizza in string, and next print I not in string. So membership means in or not in. You have to check. So if the pizza is there, it is going to print true. If I is not in string, then it is going to print false. Now let's go to string methods. So if you want to make any letters to uppercase, then you have to create a variable equals to, that is small equals to I love pizza. I have written this in a smaller case. Now I want to change that to uppercase. So I'm printing small, means the variable name dot upper. So it is going to make the entire text to uppercase, as you can see here. Now B equals to I love pizza. So I have given everything in uppercase. Now I want to print that in a lowercase thing. So you have to write a variable name dot lower. Now string equals to, again I'm creating a variable, that is string equals to I love pizza, and I have given some space on right hand side. Okay? So I'm just printing this string first and just removing the right side space, that is string dot string. Now let's go to string equals, I'm giving space on right hand side and left hand side. To remove that space on right hand side and left hand side, we have to write strip. So if you say strip, it is going to remove the space around it. Now, as you can see, it is going to print I love pizza. Okay. Now, string equals to, I have given the left space now. So to remove that space, I have to write L strip. As you can see, it removed the left space. So now what I'm doing is, I'm just creating a variable, A equals to, starts on left hand side and hashtag on right hand side. To remove that stars and hashtags, print A dot, on the right hand side I have given hashtag, so I have to type hashtag here. Dot in left hand side I have given L strip, that is star. So it is going to remove the stars and hashtags. Now if you want to count that letters, you can use, for example, create a variable A equals to I love pizza and print A dot count. I want to find how many I letters are there. So I'm printing I, so the result will be only one I is there.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel.